We are going to see an introduction to greedy algorithms. So the greedy algorithms, they look for a solution piece by piece, and they will always choose the next piece of solution in such a way that it's going to give me the most immediate benefit. So let's say if I have to minimize the cost, then starting from point A, I will look for all the possible solutions that have the minimum cost, move to that point, and from that point I'll further look for all the points, all the data points that will give me the least possible cost, taking that as the cost and then moving further. So this is how this greedy algorithm works. That is, it will work piece by piece, and then it, the one that is going to give me most immediate benefit. So now the advantage is it, because it goes for local optimal choices. These are smaller algorithms, and these are quick. No backtracking is possible under these, and these are fast and simple. So these are quick algorithms, no backtracking. Start from point A, choose the minimum. That from that point choose the minimum. From that point choose the minimum. So let's say an example where A to B costs A to B is the minimum and it costs me 2, and B to C, comparing all the options from B to C has given me the cost of 4. Consider another solution where A to D has given me the cost of 4, but D to C has given me a cost of 1. So because it is choosing only the local optimal choice at that point of time, it may not produce the global solution, optimal global solution always. This is the disadvantage of greedy algorithms. Further, we will see about various greedy algorithms.